Hi guys, good morning. This is Vince Ong, your Megaworld agent, and for this video, I'm going to tour you around this actual 2-bedroom unit in Park McKinney West. So this is a corner unit, 110 square meter, and it has an extra room. So before we start, pakita ko lang sa inyo that this project, Park McKinney West, is located along the main road of Fort Bonifacio, which is the Lawton Avenue. So papunta doon sa side na yon is going to the airport. And we can also see McKinley Hill where Venice Grand Canal Mall is located. So that's also a Megaworld township. And on the other side is the BGC part already. So that's where that's the way or that's the road going to Makati, Ortigas, and to BGC Business District. So maganda kay Park McKinley West, surrounded tayo by Prime Central Business District. And sa baba ng property na to, we will be having our own bi-level mall called The Shop. So it will consist of high-end restaurants and retail. So check natin tong 2-bedroom. So this would be your balcony access from the living area. So maganda dito sa 2-bedroom natin, napakalawak ng common space natin. So if you're going to entertain your family or friends, you can put your sofa on this part and your dining area on this part, which can fit 6 to 8 seater. Yan. And if you will also notice, yung ceiling natin with Park McKinney West or any Megaworld project is very high. Nasa around 2.7 to 3 meters tayo, wherein you can put chandelier on the lights. And for the delivery of this unit, meron na rin tayong split-type inverter aircon from Daikin. So a total of 3 units will be provided for this 2-bedroom. So this would be your main door for the 2-bedroom unit, and it will be delivered with a digital lock set from Philips. So maganda dito, you can access this through fingerprint, keycard, PIN, or a mechanical key. And this goes low bat. So very high-tech na yung mga units natin, and you can also open this in 3 ways. So one way to show to you is by holding this Philip name. Yan. For the other access, pwede niyong pindutin yung open or you can pull this para lang kayo nag-open ng normal door. And sa part na to, we have our main breaker for the switch. So dito natin papatayin if hindi natin ginagamit yung electricity. And our unit comes with backup power on certain lights and sockets. So for this part, this is actually my favorite part on this 2-bedroom, the open kitchen concept. Maganda dito, it's already pre-furnished. Kasama na tong granite countertop, we have soft close kitchen cabinets na if nakikita nyo, napakarami. We have a provision here for the refrigerator, and dito sa taas, makikita natin yung mga internet cables natin, nakatago na siya. So in case of emergency, merong backup power dito. Also sa refrigerator. Yan. Sa part naman na to, you would be having a built-in oven from GE. Meron tayong electric cooktop, and we have a range hood. So same brand, European brand din siya. On this part, spacious granite countertop, we have sink and faucet na box type from Frankie. So we also have a faucet na retractable na. And the best part is this island. So you can also add chairs here, approximately 4 para spacious pa rin siya for your breakfast look. And this is the extra room or the maid's room. So ang dami nating pwedeng gawin dito wherein you can convert this to your utility area because we have a provision for the washer dryer on this part. And meron din tayong bintana since this is a corner unit. So not all maid's room, based on my experience, has a window. Pero for this project of Park McKinney West, meron tayong ganitong feature which makes it more attractive kasi pwede mo siyang i-convert into another room. Or it can be a guest room, your study room, or pantry or storage room because of this window over here. And maganda sa part na to, you will be having your own toilet and bath. So kasama na yung nakikita nyo dyan, you will be having a toilet and a shower. And just to add, in all Megaworld projects, meron tayong video intercom that is connected to the lobby. So maganda dito, if you have guests, parcels, or visitor, makikita nyo sila but they cannot see you. And this is your mini hallway leading towards to the bedroom and the common toilet and bath. This is your bedroom 1 with a modular closet and a split type inverter aircon. So for the size, you can fit a full double and a queen size bed. So maganda dito, just to add, yung mga windows natin for Park McKinley West are double glazed. So pag binuksan mo, you would hear some noise, but once na sinara na natin siya, totally na-cancel na yung noise. And also, to add, yung flooring natin is ceramic plank for the bedroom. While for the common area, we use ceramic tiles. And across your bedroom 1 would be the common toilet and bath. So maganda dito, it's already complete with sanitary fittings by Kohler. What you see in this video is what you'll be getting. Complete na to with mirrors, lavatory, water closet with bidet, partial glass enclosure, and a rain shower. So for hot and cold, for the water heater, meron tayong provision sa ilalim ng ating lavatory on this part. Yan. Last but not least, the master bedroom. So, pasok tayo. And this would be your master bedroom, which can fit a queen and a king size bed. Maganda sa 2-bedroom natin, all areas from the living, bedroom 1, and the master bedroom has their own balcony access. And since may balcony tayo, doon nakalagay yung mga condenser ng aircon natin, which is a plus. We also have aircon again for this part, and you will be having a walk-in closet on this area. Yan. And to add, meron tayong motion sensor lights on the common toilet and bath. So same finishing from Kohler, we have complete sanitary fittings on the master toilet and bath. And since this is a corner unit again, meron tayong natural exhaust on this part. And that's it for this 2-bedroom unit in Park McKinley West. So if you are interested, we are currently offering rent-to-own payment plan or pay in full to get 25% cash discount. So maganda sa mga units available natin, we also have a 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, and a 3-bedroom. And these units are actually facing morning sun, greeneries, and Antipolo Mountains on the higher floor. If you're interested, my contact details are down below. We can schedule a Zoom meeting or an actual unit viewing. Again, this is Vince Ong, your Megaworld agent. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.